Dive into gardening, a fresh start. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase: dig into gardening. Gardening is not just about planting. It's an art and a science that connects us to nature. So, if you've ever been curious about getting your hands dirty and understanding what this phrase really means, you're in the right place. Let's dig into the world of gardening together and uncover the layers of meaning behind this engaging activity. At first glance, dig into gardening might seem straightforward. It involves starting or engaging in gardening. But let's break it down a bit more. The phrase combines two key concepts: dig in and gardening. Dig in is an idiomatic expression meaning to start something with enthusiasm or to begin eating eagerly when talking about food. In the context of gardening, it takes on a literal and figurative meaning. Literally, you dig into the soil to plant. Figuratively, it means to start gardening with eagerness and commitment. Gardening, on the other hand, is the activity of tending and cultivating a garden, especially as a pastime. It involves growing plants, flowers, vegetables, and fruits, nurturing them from seedlings to mature, flourishing life forms. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature, relieve stress, and even grow your own food. Here's why you might want to dig into gardening. Health benefits. Gardening is a physical activity that can improve your health, from providing exercise to reducing stress and promoting mental well-being. Environmental impact. By gardening, you're contributing to the environment. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making the air cleaner and fresher. Personal satisfaction. There's a unique satisfaction in seeing something grow because of your care and effort. It's rewarding to eat fruits and vegetables you've grown yourself or to see the flowers you've planted bloom. Ready to dig in? Here are a few tips for beginners. Research. Understand what plants are suitable for your climate and soil. Some plants thrive in certain conditions better than others. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start with a small plot or a few containers. Tools. Get the basic gardening tools like gloves, a shovel, a rake, and a watering can. Care. Learn about the needs of your plants. Watering, sunlight, soil type, and fertilization are key to healthy plants. We hope this video has inspired you to dig into gardening and explore the joys and benefits it brings. Remember, every gardener starts with a single seed. With patience and care, you can grow a garden that's not only beautiful but also rewarding. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!